Hey everybody, thanks for tuning back in to Crypto Mainly. My name's Lee. Wow, we were talking about how difficult it was trading in the video yesterday, and last night was certainly didn't get any easier. Thanks guys for tuning in. 284 subscribers now are on the channel. Please don't be put off by this, guys. If you're new to the channel, it is very new. It's just over 2 months old now. 284 subscribers already, which I'm absolutely delighted with. So thanks ever so much for each and every one of you for tuning in. Please do like, subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications. I will be doing a few things, some snippet videos and live streams and things as time goes on. So when everything's set up properly, so please, do like and subscribe. Or you can always unsubscribe if you don't like the content that I provide. So, but hopefully that won't happen. So, just one thing I want to point out, guys, my NFTs are over on OpenSea. Just bear with me while I talk about this because there is a scammer. That's got an almost identical account. I have reported the account, but it does look almost identical. It's got the same coin, the same header. The ways to verify my account, there are two ways. You can see over on the right hand side here. If we click on Twitter, it takes you to my official Twitter page, which is at Crypto Mainly. No dots, no anything else, no other letters, numbers, or anything like that. And the safer way to do it, obviously, is if you look, you'll see that I am the owner of the CryptoMainly.eth from the internet, from ENS Ethereum naming service. This can't be replicated, guys. So if you look at my account, you'll see that CryptoMainly.eth is my wallet address. That can't be replicated. So that's the one sure way to make sure that you are looking at an authenticated account. Okay, thanks, guys. Let's tune straight into the content. Okay, so yeah, I mean, look at the if we sort of zoom out for a moment, guys, and have a look at the we had an extremely tight range here, in this area. We had then a pump, and then a dump, and then a pump. I mean, it's just all over the place. So, I mean, if you are trading at the moment, guys, and particularly new traders, if you're starting to think, oh, you're never going to be any good, this is all, it's you may as well just hang up your boots. It's just not happening for you. This is the most, one of the most difficult times in trading that I can remember for a long time. Firstly, a very tight range, and now suddenly this chop. Where it's breaking through resistance, then failing support, breaking resistance, failing support. I mean, it literally is all over the place, guys. So don't beat yourselves up if you are new to trading, and do consider coming and joining the group. I do like to try and help and share and sort of teach people and show some of the things that I'm looking for and help other traders to maybe pick up some of the experience that I've picked up along the way. So do think about coming and joining the group. At the moment, the only way to do that is to buy an NFT. If you buy an NFT, there's nothing attached to an NFT, guys, at the moment. Currently, if you purchase an NFT, that's your choice, but you will enter a database which I can look back at in time and see who was supporting my new YouTube channel in the early days, and I can always look back and do something nice for them perhaps in the future. But at the moment, I am offering complimentary and VIP access to my VIP NFT Telegram group. So if you do purchase the an NFT today on OpenSea, then I'll get you in the group within an hour or two of you actually purchasing the NFT. You can. There's obviously a lot of additional content in the Telegram group. I do post altcoin trade setups as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a various sort of fundamental analysis, on-chain analysis, some interesting news events, anything that may be critical, altcoin news which may help with trading ideas. For example. KSM was listed on Coinbase Pro, so we made sure that everyone in the group was aware of that prior to it being listed. Just things like that, which can help sometimes give you a little bit of an edge, fundamentally wise with your trading. So, but yep, do have a look at that, guys. As of the 1st of July, I will be setting up a subscription charge, which will be $100 per month. If you'd rather, if you're not interested in the NFT side of things, then perhaps a subscription would be more for you. So hopefully we'll see you in there. So that's that, guys. So yeah, this is the next trade that I'm looking for here. Let me just switch on my highlighter. So this is the next trade that I'm looking for here, guys. I'm expecting us to come back up to the dotted line there. So that's at 30,452, and then for us to get perhaps a rolling over, and then to come back down and retest these lows here. The CME gap, incidentally, guys, is still below us. It has not been filled yet. There was one in the sort of the range here, which has been filled by this dump down in price yesterday. But the lower CME gap has still not been filled yet, guys. So be aware of that. It doesn't have to be filled immediately. You know, now that we're in this region, it would make sense that price does come down and fill it now whilst we're, you know, in the vicinity of that gap. But, you know, there is always the possibility price takes off and we come down and fill this gap later in the year. That is a possibility. So just bear that in mind, guys. But this trade here is the one that I'm looking for next, and you'll see. Just incidentally, guys, the orange line there, the 30,629, is the stop. The grey line, the grey price there, the 30,406, is the entry, and the dark green. So this color green here is the take profit. Okay, so you know, anything else that you see sort of in between are things like the purple line there is the dotted line. So don't get confused with this on the side here, guys. The orange line, this color line, this color orange is the stop. That's the entry, the grey price, and the green, the dark green, is the take profit. So you know, if ever the prices are close together, like for example these two, you will notice that the price that's got the marker below it, the timer below it, that's just current price, just so that you guys that are, you know, they're fairly new, understand that. Okay, so moving on to the Bitcoin dominance. I mean, you know, if we look at Tether dominance, I mean, you know, it broke out, broke back down, it broke below support, took off again. You know, it literally was, you know, up to this point, it was looking like, you know, it's a resistance, a clear and you know, valid resistance line. It drops down, fell through support, and then broke immediately straight back up again, back through which would then be resistance, back through resistance again, came up to the top and got a rejection, heavy bounce, back down below support again. I mean, literally, guys, it's just choppy all over the place. And if you're trading at the moment, you know, it is very, very difficult to do so. So again, you know, another demonstration of, you know, breaking out of this rising wedge, and then failing against this resistance level, coming back down, you know, back into the range again. I mean, it's literally all over the place, guys. So don't beat yourself up too much. Okay, so just have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is, you know, we've got these lows, these dotted lines here. So the two red markers there, 1700 to 1780, basically, is the zone to watch, guys. This is kind of the lows from the summertime. We don't want to see, you know, price on Ethereum coming down below 1700. If it does, then, you know, then we could see sort of 1300 price, which is the sort of next real main sort of support on the way down. So just keep an eye on that, guys. That 1700 is the one to watch for Ethereum. Okay, so and we're just gonna I'm just going to show you this chart as well. This is an altcoin which I've been looking at, just to give you a trade setup here. So in the group here, you can see we entered down at the lows here, but you can see that there's a rather nice sort of ascending triangle here. Support is holding all the way up. But in terms of risk reward, guys, even if you took an entry now, the risk reward ratio, as you can see, to the top of the range is it is very nice. It's well worth taking the this isn't financial advice. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just demonstrating what I'm doing. And as you can see, the risk reward here is incredibly high for when we get this breakout. So do watch. Obviously, your stop losses would be below the support. Don't put your stop loss too close, but make sure your stop loss is below support. You can see that our stop is currently set at 1025. That's where we took an entry here, and the 1025 level is actually below this low here. So if I just draw that on for you, so we've got this low here. Okay, so you can see that that my stop loss is actually below this low here. So as the price creeps up, just make sure that you've got a sensible stop underneath that. Because if we do get a sudden a sudden collapse out of this pattern, then obviously the measured move from that would be down to the base, down to the bottom here. But this looks like a very nice trade to be having in terms of, particularly because of the risk reward ratio there. So take a look at that, guys. Good luck with that. If you do decide to take it, I'm not telling you to take it because obviously, I'm not allowed to do that. But what I'm just showing you is that this is what I'm taking, and I'm demonstrating that to my group in the Telegram as well. And some of the guys are actually taking the trade. So all the best, guys. Good luck with that, and thank you for listening. Please do remember, like and subscribe. Have a look at the NFTs. Come and join us, and join the Telegram group, and have some fun with us. We do have some good times in the group, particularly when we're all making money. And I look forward to seeing you in there. So take care, guys. Thanks for listening. Always remember, guys, take profits and buy something real. And I look forward to speaking to you tomorrow. All the best, guys. Take care.